How's your website doing? Are you on the top of Google? You type in, say, if you're a restaurant in Punta Gorda, Florida, and you type in restaurant Punta Gorda, Florida. Does your restaurant come up top? Or if you have a maybe a health spa in Montauk, New York, you type in health spa Montauk. Does it come up to the top? Or a restaurant anywhere else, Wilmington, North Carolina? Perhaps you have a gym in Wilmington, North Carolina, or a fishing boat in California. If you type in fishing boat California, does your fishing boat come up? Chances are it doesn't. And the reason why is because your website isn't SEO'd properly. It's search engine optimized properly. You've got to do that. And what search engine optimization is when you type in those keywords that I just said, whatever your business is, okay, you've got those keywords have to be injected. They have to be in your website somewhere. Say the description about your business, different things like that. It has to be what's called keyword-rich content. What we do with our clients is we take their existing websites. We don't change it. We're not web developers, okay? The web developers do a great job. They're really good at what they do. What we do is we take the words, the content, put the words together that's keyword-rich to get you placed properly in Google. Most web developers don't know how to do that. They're not copywriters. They don't know how to research for the keywords. They just tell the owner, go get, and you're one of them. They say, I'll build a website, you provide me the text. So you go ahead and you provide text. You don't know what to write. You just write the little stuff about me, about the business, etc. You have no idea, no concept about keywords, and never mind the fact on how to get them, how to find them, how to find the proper ones. So you just grab them from the sky, PFA, pick from air keywords, you put them in there and you hope for the best. That doesn't work all the time. It's scientific. It's an exact science is what it is. What we do with SEO is we take a look at your website, we interview you to find out what your business is exactly, what the keywords are. We do research on those keywords. We find out the exact phrases, how to put the keywords together, and then we rewrite the content for the web developer to put on the website to get you the high search engine rankings on Google. Now, my last client that I just did, he was a restaurant in Punta Gorda, Florida. You couldn't find him. The restaurant didn't exist unless you typed in the specific restaurant name. We rewrote the content in the first page, and 24 hours after the web developer put that content in, he was number 2 on Google. 2 days later, he was number 1. He fell down since to number 3, but he's on his way back up because we're adding more content. But he's right on the top page. 2 months ago, I did the same thing to a fishing boat in Tarpon Springs. It couldn't find him. Inside of a week, he was number 3. He's now number 1. It's just by writing content. That's one of the services we provide. We just write the content, give it to your web person. They put in the content, and you get top rankings. You crush the competition, especially in small business, and you're in a small town, a specific niche. You're competing against people in your own industry, in your own town. They're clueless when it comes to keywords also. So you put the proper keyword-rich content in. You go right to the top of Google. You don't pay for Google AdWords. You don't pay for any of that stuff. If you'd like to learn more, contact us. Our contact information is on the bottom of this page. We can do that to any business around the country. Give us a call. That's what we do. We're copywriters and we're content writers. We'll write your content with keyword-rich content so you get top Google search rankings. Thanks for visiting. I hope to hear from you.